Alright guys, so I thought I'd do this little driving video for you guys so you guys can see how the steering is going to be working. I know some of you guys want to see that. I'm going to be taking my GoPro camera and I'm going to be sticking it on this bar upside down and then angling it down towards the steering, and I'll be driving her around a little bit. I'll have to put some tape around this or that's just going to rattle all the beat hell. And yeah, I'm not going to tear it up too much just because we've got a lake out here. See all that? It's all turning to slush. Blah. So I don't really want to get all nasty and muddy. So, yeah, that's the way she looks right now. Okay guys, we got the GoPro mounted on there, and I got Allie here. She's going to be helping.
Hi.
So, here we go.
So much water. It's way out there. Probably hard to see. Shoulders hurt. I'm just getting lazy. Here he comes. Sorry if it's a bit shaky. He's driving crazy like, woo! What's he doing? What happened? He's just being silly, I think. Or something fell. What happened? Shoe might have fell off. That'd be funny. That'd be a funny sight to see. Someone's shoe falling off. But you never know what happens when you're not around. You never know. Hands are cold. Hey, man. What's he doing? Oh. Car was coming. What happened?
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh man. Yeah, I definitely need to get some fenders on that. Jesus, this thing's just a... But yeah, this clamp fell off right here when I was going down. That's why I had to stop.
Stick your little camera, okay?
Yeah, I think the camera got it all. I hope so.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah.
It'd be bad if it didn't.
Yeah.
We'd have to do all this over again.
Yeah.
Your
Really
camera's wet. It's right there.
Yeah.
Wet.
That's why it's got that case on it, so that way it can get hit with
Water.
water and mud and stuff like that. Yep.
But not lava, no.
Of course not. Turn it off. Pew! There we go.
Yeah.
So you have to put this piece of paper in there so that way this isn't rattling so much. But it might even rattle a lot because of this bar.
You might need to stick that bar
My
to
face
the
all
thing.
dirty.
Your glasses are.
My glasses are.
They're like wet.
Yeah. Jesus, this thing just flings the mud all over you. Look at all the steel in here. God dang. Well, at least it works.
Yeah.
See, I ran into the side of the shop right there.
Oh no.
Yeah.
You have to pull it back out.
Man. Okay, guys. Well, I thought I'd throw this video up quick. Drive it around a little bit and yeah. So I think what I'm going to be doing next is probably either two things. Either I'm going to work on some type of mud flaps for this thing or fenders, or work on putting the bottom panel on, or maybe I just might even do the foot pedals. Well, actually, you know, it'd actually be better if I tried working on the fenders first, because everything else after this is just going to be getting me dirty.
Yeah.
So, all right, guys. So I'll talk to you later.